In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a worksheet tab in Microsoft Excel 2016. So if I'm over here on my 08 SPA services file that I've been using in the last several videos, we have a Monday, a Tuesday, Wednesday, and a lookup tabs or worksheets down here at the bottom. And so to change the color, maybe I want to make Monday a blue color. Right click on the tab color. I'm going to make it, I'm just going to go down here to my standard colors. I'm going to make it blue. Oop, that's green. Tab color, blue. I'm going to pick Tuesday. Right click on it, go to tab color. I'm going to make it green. Go to Wednesday, right click, tab color, make it purple. And my lookup tab, since I don't really want people to use it, it's just a lookup tab, it's just a little bit of extra information where we set our fees. We're going to go to red. It's like danger, stay away from this. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and lookup all have different colors now. And that's how you change the colors in a workbook on your worksheet tabs at the bottom.